Okay. So, that's right, I have to touch it here. So I'm gonna have to copy some of this stuff. And I'm pretty sure there's a normal physics entity. These are gonna be more like walls, so let me look at what a wall is. Yeah, they're also normal physics entity. So we're gonna put that actually I should be working in Emacs because I like that better. Alright, so we want to look at effect entity.h, and we're going to paste some stuff here, and it'll be like, whoa. Okay. And what's going to be in there exactly? Well, we're going to need the whole init stuff. You know what? No, I don't know what. Yeah, I'm starting to get confused. My brain's starting to say, you need to take a break, buddy. Really, I've only been at this for a couple hours so far. I gotta check my YouTube stuff though. It's fun, always fun little break. Wow. So, are my videos being uploaded? I keep changing the upload script, so it's I have good reason to want to check. So now my video taking is almost completely automated. Numbering and everything. Yeah, looks like we're good. And looks like this is the 2-hour mark. So each video is 15 minutes. Alright. So what do I want to do again? Yeah, if it's an entity, well, this forces me to put the visuals. And yeah, because I'm using the collision detection, I will need all this stuff. So let me look at another class like bounce wall. Is that a reasonable one? Yeah, it is. Last hit time and instance num. Let's take that. Let's just copy bounce wall, because this effect thing is going to be more like a wall than this moving bouncy ball like the voice object is. Alright. Now, the question is if we want to generate our own texture per effect, or just to define one here. I don't know. I really don't know. But for now, I'll just leave this. I'm even going to just leave it as gen wall texture. Yeah, I should change it. Yeah, I do need to change it, because I need to change some things in there, including the GL texture, I think. So this will be called Those just should be called gem texture. I don't know why I made it a specific name. So init with pos. And in fact, this should be in the superclass, so I don't have to call it every time. Rewrite it every time, rather. Is it in the superclass? No. Yeah. I'm just going to put in the superclass. So that there's a default texture. Then that should be like bouncewall.mm. See, there needs to be a wall text like that. And that means I need to do filter entity .m. We'll call it GL text. These are all important calls. I'll put this guy at the end. Okay, so I want to replace, well, noise buff can stay noise buff. It's just name, defined locally. But wall text needs to be GL text. Okay, so that'll fill out the pointer and bind it to something and fill it up with the noise buff. Yeah. I see. The problem is if you do that, you need to be able to get yeah. We need to bind this at some point, like right here. Okay, so I say we do the default one. We should just have a function called bind texture. And that should take care. Yeah, this is getting to be a pain in the ass, but there's no way around it. So there should also be a function called void bind texture, and later we can move all this stuff. We can refactor those into this call in their own within the class. So this will be the default. And that's fairly reasonable. think that is. So I'm going to do one small difference. I'm just going to change the color to red. It's blue right now, and this is hard to tell from looking at this RGBA thing, but okay, so this value is randomly computed. No, it's not. This is the definition for noise. Ah, yeah. But you see, we tend to take the blue, I think. I don't know. Hold on. Excuse me. That's how the Chinen sneeze. Yeah, I'm gonna have to take a little break. Looks like I have to work out a system for taking breaks. I could put some music on. But I think sneezing, there's absolutely no way to deal with that. You just go crazy. Yeah, I'm just gonna change one of these numbers. Change that to 2. How's that? No, change that to 3. What was it? Change it to 1. One safe. I don't know. We'll see. Okay. So this should change the color. Alright, and one more thing I'm going to do is take these, take this call. What was that? Init with pos, yeah, we need that. And draw self. There's actually a lot of stuff in here. And collide with. Okay, so we're gonna stick that into filter effect entity .m. Yeah, it's kind of a gross video, but you have to gotta deal with it. Alright. So, init with pos, start size, yeah. This is all fine. There's nothing wall specific here. The draw self call has only this needs to be different. You know what? That cannot be bounce wall. It needs to be filter entity.